Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and I received a generous PR box from Lancome. So I've already opened this up, I've already used everything inside, and well, I've used Lancome in the past. Lancome is one of the classic makeup counter brands, definitely on the higher end. Affordable luxury is what I like to call it. But let me just show you what I got, and I am wearing some of it today, and I'll talk about that as we go. So first off, let's open this up. I love what they sent me. There we go. Try not to spill it all out. There you go. All right, let's go through one by one. So first off, they sent me 3 of the Juicy tubes. I remember using Juicy tubes, I kind of want to say 20 years ago. Is that right? 20 years ago? That sounds so long ago. But they did bring back the original Juicy tubes in the tubes, guys. Squeeze lip gloss. If you've never used Juicy tubes from Lancome, it is the thickest. I like it. I think it's delightful. Maybe it's personal taste, but it's like a really thick, glossy formula. Now, this is just the shade Pure, 01 Pure. I have a thing about clear lip glosses. Like, I want a clear lip gloss from every brand. I don't know what it is. Another friend of mine is exactly like that. She also said she's the same way. It's like, we know it's clear, we know it's just shine, but if a brand has a clear gloss, we want it. So I love that they sent me the clear one, because I mean, you can use it by itself, you can put it on top of other lip colors. If you're doing the editorial looks and you want the glossy lid looks, I mean, I love clear lip gloss, so I'm happy that they sent me these. And also the Juicy tubes usually have like a scent to them. They don't really have a taste. But they do have a scent. Like, this smells really sweet. It smells like candy. It doesn't taste like it though. That's always been the downside, is that they're not flavored, but they're scented. So they smell sweet. All right, so this one's Pure, Juicy tube. The next one is Tickled Pink. This is number 8, Tickled Pink. And I'm sorry, did you guys want me to squeeze them out? We'll squeeze them out so you guys can see. We will do that actually. Let's go ahead and squeeze out Pure. Sorry, I have a cat, so my hand is always just like scratched up. So sorry about that. Okay, so of course here's the clear one, Pure. And I mean, what more can you want from a clear gloss, right? Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. That is Pure. Then we have Tickled Pink. And this one's more like a warm toned, would you say warm? I think it's almost like a, maybe neutral is a better term. A neutral, how about a mid-tone? A mid-tone mauve pink. There we go. So this one's called Tickled Pink. This is number 8. Ooh. And I think this is just one of those kind of like pinks that looks great on everybody. Just, it's not too red, it's not too pink. It's just that nice mid-tone mauve pink. Not too bright, not too vampy. Oh, love it. Okay, next we've got Hallucination. This one's really cool. So this is number 9. This one's called Hallucination. And it's like a nude with like, yeah, it's like a nude with shimmer in it, but it's like subtly milled. It's a nude with shimmer in it, but it's subtly milled. So it's not like glitter on your lips. Ooh. So that's when you want just that very slight hint of color. Oh, I love what they sent me. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God, that one smells kind of like cantaloupe. And what's this one smell like? Because now they're all mixed together on my hand. I want to say this smells like melon, like honeydew melon. Now this is only my personal opinion. It doesn't say what they smell like. And what's this one smell like? This one smells like caramel. Again, this is just what my brain is conjuring up when I smell it. You may smell it and smell something totally different because it doesn't say what the scents are. It just says, you know, this is Hallucination. This is Tickled Pink. This one is Pure. But they all smell like really delightful, but no flavor, which is probably a good thing because I would just eat it off. Let's be honest. Now this I have known about. I've never tried it. Now that I've tried it, I'm like, oh my God, when this is gone, I'm going to buy it. I want it in every shade that they have. So this is the Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner. They sent me the shade Matte Brown Syrup. And yes, I am wearing it today. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, matte, precise, pigmented. This is amazing. First off, the packaging. Oh, I love the packaging. Isn't it cool? All right, so that's the packaging. And the pigment is no joke, you guys. Here, I'm trying to make sure I don't draw on the, on the gloss. Opaque in one swipe. Dries down to, and look at the shape of the brush, you guys. Oh, I am obsessed. I'm like, this is the matte brown. I've been wanting a matte brown liner. It's crazy. It's like they know me. They know what glosses I want. They know I want a matte brown. You know what? It makes you think they actually look at your social media and pick up on the things you say, which is cool and also kind of creepy. Lancome is stalking me, you guys. Okay, I haven't used one of these in forever, and I used to use this type of stuff religiously. This is a mascara primer. This is Seal Booster XL. This is a super enhancing mascara base, or as I said, a mascara primer. I know there is at least one brand that makes a black mascara primer, and I can't remember who it is right now. But Lancome makes the white mascara primer. Lancome Seal XL Booster. And I do like it. I do have this on my lashes today. It really just fattens up your lashes. You know, I apply 2 coats, let it dry. I only did on my upper lashes. I didn't do it on my lower lashes, but I like to apply, you know, 1 coat, 1 coat, 2 coat, 2 coat. Let it sit for a moment. And then you follow up with the mascara. So I do like an eyelash primer. I just don't know why more of them aren't black or brown or something like that, right? But so the problem you always find with these is if you're not careful and you don't put enough mascara on afterwards, well, you got little white specks peeking out on your lashes. So, but I do like it. I do like a mascara primer, or in this case, they're calling it a mascara base. So I'm happy to have this because it works really well with the next item, the last item. And sorry guys, I know my voice is froggy today. You'll just have to bear with me. It's been hot, it's been cold, it's been hot, it's been cold, it's been hot, it's been cold. So it's been constantly like running the heater, and then it's cold air, and then, so my throat's just messed up right now, so sorry. Okay, so we got Lancome Lash Idôle. Sorry guys, French is not my forte if I'm saying that weird. Lash Idôle, this is in the shade Glossy Black. I do have the liner, the mascara base, the mascara on today. So this is the Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara, and it does. It lifts your lashes, and as it's drying, it just like lifts. And then like it has a, like not a thick formula, but it's definitely a volumizing formula. It's almost more like a cream gel formula. So when you put this on, as it's drying, your lashes really do like lift up a little. So that's good for those of you that like to curl your lashes and keep that curl. Like this will help with that. And then also it gives you the volume. It makes your lashes look a little thicker. So I really like this mascara. It's got an interesting brush too. So let me show it to you. So Lash Idôle. Boop. And it's got an interesting brush. So you can see it's got that curve to it, so you can really lift your lashes up. And you know, so I did 2 coats on top, 2 coats on the bottom, and I'm just loving it. And this does have, you know, a typical cosmetic scent. So it's something to be aware of if you're a little bit sensitive to fragrance in mascaras. But yeah, so here we go. Yeah, I was psyched to receive a PR box from Lancome, not gonna lie. So I'm just like, yeah, yeah, awesome. Very cool. Okay, well that is it. So if you use any Lancome...
Sorry, I can't make a phone call with your iPad.
Sorry, I just activated my Siri on my iPad. Anyways, that was weird. So, as I was saying, I would love to know if you have any favorite Lancome products. If you think there's any Lancome products I should try. I know a lot of people like the foundation, so feel free to leave some comments, suggestions, questions, comments. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.